Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the oven temperature sensor or probe on your Samsung range. If you're experiencing issues like uneven cooking, error codes when you turn the oven on, incorrect temperature readings, or your oven just isn't heating properly, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started and get your appliance back to perfect working condition. With over 2 billion products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your range or turn the breaker off. Usually, when a temperature sensor fails, it will throw an error code and not allow the oven to come on. The probe or sensor is a device that reads the temperature of the oven in ohms of resistance. It then sends the ohms reading to the control board. Then the board opens and closes relays that turn the elements on and off. This is how it regulates the temperature in the oven. You will need to pull the range out and remove the Phillips head screws from the back. The probe connector is over on the right side. To test the probe to see if it is reading the temperature correctly, we can test it at room temperature, which is around 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be approximately 1,080 ohms, plus or minus 10%. As it gets hotter, the resistance number will also get higher. Disconnect the connector and using your multimeter set for ohms, check the probe side of the connector. It should read 1,080 ohms. If it does, then we can move on to another test. If it is out of range, it needs to be replaced. To remove the sensor, we will need to remove it from inside the oven cavity. Remove the oven door by opening the door to a flat position and pulling out the door catch clips like so. Lift up and out to remove the door. Remove the oven racks. Now, isn't this easier? Remove the screws holding the probe in place. Go around to the back of the range, locate the single connector for the probe, and disconnect it. You can now pull the probe out through the oven cavity. Here's the old temperature sensor, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Push the connector through the hole in the back and secure the probes with the 2 screws. Go around to the back and reconnect the plug. You can go ahead and put the back panel on. You are done in the back. Go back around to the front and install the racks, set the door into position, and set the door catches. Make sure the door opens and closes properly. Turn the power back on and plug the range in and check for proper operation. Great job tackling that oven temperature sensor on your Samsung range. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement sensor, just gather your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through this repair, and we look forward to helping you on your next project.